Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this cat craft little cat playset, I guess you could call it. What is the actual name? Yeah, cat playset. So picked this up from Walmart for the kittens to play with. So I'm just gonna, oh, it's kind of solid there. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's in the box here, and then we're gonna build this bad boy. So got like a little round rope covered climby thing there, and a little furry one. Another rope climby thing. All right, another furry one. And what's this? Some kind of little round thing here. Yeah, it's kind of heavy there. Another little pole there to climb. What we got here, like a little cat hammock thing. I'm gonna set this all up for you guys too. So another one of those. Yeah, some heavy pieces here. Here's a cat scratcher cardboard thing. Little wooden platform covered in carpet. And a second one with some instructions there. How hard could it be? All right, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 round pieces here, and some silica gel. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this together for you guys, show you how it's done, and we'll let the cats play out, show you that too, and do a final review.